Let's hear it one more time for Bangladesh.
That was great.
All right, so our next dance is Ghana.
Break it down.
No, Kane, our next dance is Ghana.
Bring the heat.
No, they're Ghana.
Of course, like Ghana, like the country Ghana.
Yeah, you see, this is what happens when they pick somebody to host a show that's never actually been to GALA.
I know plenty about Ghana. Thank you very much. Thank you. I know plenty about Ghana. It's the West African country with the 250 dialects. I mean, in Senegalese Soninke, Ghana means warrior king. I knew that. You didn't know that.
Yeah, I'm sure you ChatGPT that right now, didn't you? Anyway, we're gonna move past Kane's little skit and welcome on our choreographers, Hadassah, Aswawe, and Eugenia.
Hi everyone, it's me again, Eugenia. I'm Aswawe.
And I'm Hadassah. Thank you all for coming. We're so excited for you to see our dance. This is our second time doing Ghana at Gala, so we hope you enjoy. Our performance is technically going to be like a love story, and it's going to incorporate a lot of like Ghanaian dances and songs, so we really, really hope you enjoy. And we also really want to give a big shout out to our parents. Without you, we literally would not be here. So just wanted to say we love you so much.
We also wanted to thank our amazing dancers. We're very grateful for you guys, and thank you for all of you for coming here. We hope you enjoy.
Since I'm a senior, this is my last year to be director for any gala performance. So I just want to thank the both of you for co-directing with me these past 2 years. I've had a blast dancing with you in gala and out of gala. Thank you guys. Enjoy the show!
See me, I no get 30 billion. Oh no, yeah, way. But I got so much love to give you. I got so much love to give you. Oh na 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 na. Show me how you want it. Come and hold me hard. That's alright. Well, I did go to your one try some. She say I be handsome, me too. I like your bum bum bum. Share. Say me well, who about to the book. I dare you making no fear. I be killer, I can kill it was skin too. She be freaky, open silly boy. Me I won't pay no she I mean to throw down my sex story. Yeah, the mention like she the one. Me I want fever, making no. Come and hold me now.
Me manager, hey, young girl see so ya mon kai say from to hoda ajinya me penti ya kai say Al-Qaeda boys are pre Al-Qaeda why you the one flex Al-Qaeda boys are pre Al-Qaeda why you the one flex Al-Qaeda boys are pre Al-Qaeda why you the one flex Al-Qaeda boys are pre Al-Qaeda why you the one flex Al-Qaeda yo yenka hoda Emre bese sama yensu yenye.
Of course I fucked up. Who never fuck up? Hands in the air. No hands. Still I can't believe. You know what I mean? I was young, what you expect from me? I'm mad. Spider me entertainment. Catch it. One, two, three. Why Jimmy Best? Your friend watch her, she dey take me here and there. She dey make her feel benze, and they wonder where she dey carry me go. So call there, so call there, Ubenti so call there, so call there, hey so call there, so call there, Ubenti so call there, so call there, hey and then let's kudobodum, be that that go, let's kudobodum, be that be that skudobodum be that go skudobodum be that go so call there ubenti so call there